Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this Defiant lock here and how to solve the problem when you can't lock it manually anymore from the inside. So I had this lock replaced by a handyman about half a year ago, and already when we installed it we had this huge problem. Sometimes it just was not possible to lock it manually from the inside, and we had to use a trick and so to make it work again. So it's a little bit weird. I don't know why this problem always comes back. I mean, every couple of months or so this problem comes back, and it's good to know for everybody, like whole family, what you can do in this situation. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to show this video. By the way, yeah, that's the manual. That's from Home Depot. I think they have a couple of similar locks here, but maybe it's a problem with a lot of these things. So yeah, so here it is. The door is closed and we want to also close the lock, but it's not possible. You can see that here a little bit better. It just moves a little bit, but not a full way. And so what you have to do is to lock it from the outside with the lock button, and then it works, and you can enter the code, of course, and then it will open again, of course. And the really nice thing is now it also works from the inside, and it will work for a couple of weeks or even months. And when the problem comes back, you can just lock it again and unlock from the outside, and it will work again also from the inside. I don't know why this is a special mechanism. Yeah, they probably didn't use the most advanced techniques or technology, or yeah, they had to save a little bit on material or electronics. I don't know where the problem really is, but at least it's a temporary solution. I mean, you can repeat this process and then it lasts again for a while. So at least for me it worked, and I hope it will work for you too. So if you have any questions or comments or better solutions, whatever you have, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.